Well, just realised, I just saw this is one of the normal Coast Guard search and rescue we've just seen this morning apparently. So as you can see, that was the Sikorsky S-92-A Helibus we just seen this morning anyway. So as you can see, the registration as we see today is G-MCGY we see today apparently. And the call sign as you can see is on today is HMCG924, that is. Which as you can see so far it's just been doing circuit over at Newquay Airport to start with, and then it just came over for fly pass anyway over my place. So this is where it's been to this morning apparently. It's just done a circuit just over towards Newquay, and then from here just did one over somewhere near St Austell by the looks of it. So yeah. And as you can see, the height flown today was about, it's literally flown here just to about 50,000 feet from here apparently. I've just flown here to about 1,350 feet from here apparently. So yeah, that just flown here to about 30,050 feet apparently from here, which is not too bad anyway. But not sure where it's heading off to today though by the looks of it. But you know. And as you can see, that took off at Newquay Airport just around 9:36 AM this morning, when it was literally just done a circuit anyway. So yeah, it's literally just took off at Newquay Airport just around 9:36 anyway, which has only done about 20 minutes of a circuit by the looks of it. Which as you can tell, it's just only done about 20 minutes of circuit by the looks of it just over at Newquay Airport. And then, yeah, and then just over at Newquay, just did a miss approach anyway. So yeah. That's then it took off again around 9:58 AM anyway, and just then it came here for a fly pass anyway. Okay, so yeah, so that was the Sikorsky S-92-A Coast Guard search and rescue we've seen today. So yeah, that was the Bristow helicopter we've seen today apparently. The Bristow search and rescue helicopter we've just seen today. Okay, so yep, hopefully we might be able to see it coming back, but I'm not sure yet, but it might not anyway. Okay, so yep. Thanks for watching, bye bye.